Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to welcome you all for today's presentation on automated classroom attendance using facial recognition technique. My name is Pawan B. Patel, and my teammates are Suhas S, Tejas Krishna G, and Amrita MS. And we are presenting this topic under the guidance of Professor Shobha. Coming to introduction, we all know that the usage of manual attendance system has always been burdensome and time consuming. Even other technologies like fingerprint scanner and RFID cards are not much effective because students have to stand in a line to register their attendance. And that is why we propose a facial recognition technique as it is the fastest biometric technology using image processing and deep learning. Our objectives are to develop a scheme to detect the face in a given image, design a model to extract features from detected face, train a classifier to classify and identify the detected face, and to update on a CSV of for the attendance. These are the literature survey which we went through for the project.
Existing system. In existing system, the first ever method used is a manual one, where the teacher used to call out each student's name, which is a tedious task as well as time consuming. Next, access card systems were brought in use, but these access card systems were not secured because if the cards were lost, they can be used by an unauthorized person. Later, fingerprint attendance came into existence. If not scanned within the given time, the attendance would be marked as absent. To overcome all these drawbacks, an automated attendance using facial recognition is being proposed. In the proposed work, the user gets auto captured with the help of a camera. The captured input image is then encoded. The encoded image represents the face using a set of 128 computer generated measurements. Later, it is trained. After the model is trained, the face is recognized by comparing the input image with the image stored in the database. If it matches, then the attendance is produced for the person along with the time and date in the Excel file.
So coming to the design details, we have used waterfall model for our details. This is the flow of the waterfall model. First we defined the requirements required for our project. Then we made a design on it, and then we started with the implementation part. And for the verification, we did a testing on several aspects, like if the camera is working, if it recognizes all the students properly or not. And then this is the main design details. First, we have the testing phase. In that, we're going to give the input image, and we're going to extract 128 embeddings. That is a feature extraction. And then there's also the training phase. The training phase, in that we're going to give 30 images of a student, and then get the 128 embeddings, and then we're going to train the model. And in the classifier is going to compare both the encodings, and it's going to record the students' faces in the attendance file.
Coming to the impacts of our project, firstly, our project reduces the human interaction as it eliminates the process where teacher has to take attendance manually. The second impact is it eliminates the proxy system where students cannot fake the attendance. And the third is it uses the built-in functions available in OpenCV. These are the individual contributions by our team. These are the basic demo of our project. Thank you.
Yeah, you can demonstrate the project.
Yes, ma'am.
Project run ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ sir.
Mom, this is the simple GUI of our project, mom. It has the face encoding part, the training model, and recognizing, and then the attendance state. Yes, ma'am.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಫೇಸಸ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು?
Ma'am, when I tried, ma'am, we could from our camera, like Tejas, me, Matin, and Pawan, ma'am. When I tried it with my friend, I recognized 5 faces, and Tejas, when he tried, he got somewhere around 7. But for one person, it was giving a wrong name.
Okay.
But that was because the lighting, ma'am. The light is too bright. Also, it is gonna recognize.
ಅದನ್ನ ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, ma'am.
ಅದನ್ನ you can take it as a limitation.
Ma'am, and Tejas, next slide, Tejas. Ma'am, it can even recognize a person with a face mask, mask, ma'am.
Oh, ಹೌದಾ?
Yes, ma'am. It recognizes.
Wait. Sorry for interrupting. How it is recognizing a person with a face mask?
Ma'am, the encodings, ma'am, it has the eyes also has encodings, right?
Okay.
Ma'am, it has that 68 landmarks. So I has somewhere around 26 encoding, 26 landmarks, ma'am. So each has somewhere around 13 landmarks. So it is comparing with my encoding, ma'am, from the database. So it is able to show it, ma'am. But it's not showing for everyone, ma'am. For now, it is only showing for one person. If we give more training data, I guess it is gonna.
What happens if in case half of the face is covered?
Ma'am, this, ma'am, yes, ma'am, this is also half face covered, right, ma'am?
No. See, I think that is Tejas is sitting next to you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
His face is covered behind you, means.
Yes, ma'am.
Does it recognize?
Ma'am,
have you tried out?
If we show somewhere around 65, somewhere around 75% of the face, it is recognized, ma'am. Or else it is shown.
No, at this point of time, you cannot say at approximately. You have to tell accurately.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. We have a photo, ma'am. Like when we did it, ma'am. It's in. 1 second, ma'am. Tejas will present it.
Okay.
1 second, ma'am. I'll then share.
Just to add to Deepti ma'am's point, what you need to do is you need to
Yes, ma'am.
take accuracy, precision as the performance evaluation parameters.
Yes, ma'am.
And ground truth you already know. I just
Yes, ma'am.
compare the output of your work with the ground truth and tablet the results as accuracy. And see maximum ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫೇಸಸ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. And ನೋಡೋಣ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ we will try to decide.
Yes, ma'am. The more the training data we are giving, ma'am, the better the accuracy is, ma'am.
Okay.
I think.
And even the camera also is playing a major role, ma'am. If the resolution is a little bit down, also it's not recognizing properly. And if we give a better camera, we are using webcams, ma'am, right now. If we have somewhere around 1080p, those type of webcams, I guess we can recognize more people, ma'am. Like it's gonna give a higher range of pixels, right, ma'am? So we can get a better recognition in that.
ಅದು ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಶುಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಸ್. ಇನ್ನು ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
Somewhere around 10 to 12 days, ma'am.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೂ ಈ ಟೈಮ್ಗೂ ಏನು ಒಂದ್ ಫೇಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಈಗ 4-5 ಫೇಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
This is the half this thing.
ನೋಡಿ, you just come to college once, try to experiment it out in the real classroom same.
Yes, ma'am. We'll take a video and video of the classroom and we'll try using them.
ನಾವೇ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಬಂದ್ರಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
Yes, ma'am.
Even though ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೂನು, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ,
Yes, ma'am.
So hagirodrinda you have to come to college and take the data. I mean to say these images.
Yes, ma'am. Like we could not test it right now. Yes, ma'am. We'll do it, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Ishtena main execution.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
these things and all are captured by camera, right? What is the coverage area?
Ma'am, we are using the normal webcam only, ma'am.
Hmm.
First we took the dimensions somewhere around 600 width, ma'am. So that is the window frame size, ma'am.
Hmm.
If we change the cameras, ma'am, I guess the range is gonna be better, ma'am. Like I tried it with my mobile once, ma'am, but it was not quite before, ma'am.
Mom,
Okay.
and this one is like from 10 feet, mom. Like we had kept the laptop on the other end of the room, and we tried like how much accuracy we can get, and it was pretty like we got this one. These were the results.
Okay, fine. So
My
like
room is
this, you
somewhere
have to
around 12
work.
feet, ma'am. So we are sitting somewhere around 10 feet, ma'am. 10 to 11 feet, ma'am.
ಯಾ ಇದೇ ತರ ನೀವು ವರ್ಕ್ ನ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದ್ 4-5 ಜನ ಅಥವಾ ಯು
Ma'am, we'll try it, ma'am.
And actually, ma'am, if the camera would be better, the results can actually be better, ma'am. If camera would be actually good. This was just with the webcam, ma'am.
If we use an external camera with a better resolution,
have
I
to
guess
set
we can.
how many. Yeah, sorry, I didn't hear you.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Can you repeat it again?
So ನೀವೇನ್ 4 members ಅಥವಾ 5 to 7 members ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ, you have to just you have to tell properly whether it is covering 20 students or 50, anything like that. So 4 to 5
Yes, ma'am.
means it is meaningless at this point of time. ASM project ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1 phase 2 phase ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so anyhow
Yes, ma'am.
of applications are already available, right?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
big
No,
deal?
ma'am. Actually, this is we took 10 feet away with the webcam, ma'am. So if we have a resolution with high resolution camera, so we can recognize up to 15 students at a time, ma'am. And we
Yeah,
need
that's what
everyone's
you have to be
photo. That's
see. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ work ಅಪ್ಪ. ನೀವು see, this is a very good project according to me, and it will become benefit for us also. ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಎಂಬೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಏನಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇನೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್
Yes, ma'am.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್
yes, ma'am.
ಆಯ್ತಾ. ನೀವು ಬರೀ 5 to 7 ಫೇಸಸ್ ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 5 to 10 ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್?
No, ma'am.
ನಿಮ್
Ma'am,
ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಬಲ್?
like since it is locked down, ma'am, we don't have any testing environment, ma'am, right now. So that was the major
At least
problem we are
as
facing.
ma'am said, you freeze the count. ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಡ್ ಕೌಂಟ್
Yes, ma'am.
ಅಥವಾ ಫೇಸಸ್ ನ ಅದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಯು ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದಟ್. ಪ್ರತಿ
Yes,
ಸಲನೂ
ma'am.
ನೀವೇನೆ ಹೇಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳೋದ್ರ ಬದಲು ಯು ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಇಟ್.
Yes, ma'am.
ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ 10 ಫೇಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ
Okay,
ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್. ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ 10 ಫೇಸಸ್ನೇ ಅದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಲೈಕ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಆಫ್
videos and
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ.
Ma'am, if the light is a little bit low also, ma'am, it's not recognized. Like a dark room and all, it won't recognize, ma'am. It needs light. It needs a better
These things and all you have to say it in the limitations of your project.
Yes, ma'am.
Limitations ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, but you have to try it once.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, low light I tried, ma'am. It was, that was the only limitations, ma'am. And for profile faces, we were able to recognize it, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
You can open the code part.
1 second, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Ma'am, this is the embedding file, ma'am. When we have the data set, ma'am, but it's going to detect like the cafe model and product layer is going to detect the face from the data set. And then we have the open face NN for thing, ma'am. That is going to faces, ma'am. And then we're going to define the paths. And this is the part where the encoding is done, ma'am, for all the faces, ma'am. Like each data set has one image, ma'am. So, and with that, the encoding is done and it's going to be saved in a pickle file, ma'am.
Fine, fine. Yeah. Who are all the team members present here?
Ma'am, it's just Pawan and Amruta, ma'am.
Yeah, Amruta.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just brief about the complexity of your project, where it works?
Yes, ma'am. As Suhas said, it doesn't recognize the face in the low light or in the dark area. It only recognizes the face where you have a very good white background.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, in this code, can you highlight about the major part of the work?
Yes, ma'am. The major part of the work is happening in the proto path and the model path, where the face models are detected, and it is next embedded using the embedded function here in the next below code, ma'am.
Sorry, I was on the call. Yeah, Hede?
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat.
Tejas Habba, Suhas Habba.
Major work you can highlight.
Okay, ma'am. The major, the whole function of the program works here in the proto path and the model path, ma'am. The face is detected in using the proto path model, and then it is embedded using the embedding function written here in the below.
Okay, fine. Show the path or a module where Suhas presented half of the face has been recognized, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Where the code has been given for that module? Show me.
In the recognize, we have given it in the file. Suhas. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Here we are taking the video frame or the image stream, and we are
Hello, ma'am.
recognizing them.
Yeah.
Ma'am, basically, here we are using Swaz, can you bring it just a little down? Yes, ma'am. Basically, here we are using, no, go up, go up. Ma'am, basically on the line number 61, we are detecting the face, ma'am. Once the face is detected, we are finding what is the confidence. Now, here in the confidence is nothing but it tells us what is the confidence whether the face is present. Now, here we are giving confidence as 0.5. That is, if it is sure that the face is like there, like 50% sure, then we go with further where we.
Wait, Pawan, please, Pawan, listen here. My question is very clear. Half of the face is shown and it is identifying it. Where is the value given for it?
Ma'am, that here, ma'am, if the confidence is greater than 0.5, that means.
Can you okay, fine. Can you change those values and just check out whether it is able to recognize or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Just for the sake of curiosity.
Yes, ma'am. We actually did it, ma'am. We actually made the confidence 0.9. And the results what I got that time. The results what I got that time is it was not taking my face in the dark, like when it was a little dark, because until and unless it is 90% sure that there is a face in the video frame, it wasn't going further by detecting the face at all.
as I said in the beginning, it is a good project. ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೀವೇನು ಡೆಮೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಗಳಾಗಿ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 3 ಬೆಂಚಸ್ ಅಥವಾ 4 to 5 ಬೆಂಚಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಗ ಅದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ನೀವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ 4 ಜನನು ಪಕ್ಕ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಲೆಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರದ ಏನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The training environment only was my testing only was the problem. Like it's lockdown, right, ma'am? We don't even have college right now.
Yeah. So, okay, fine. Yeah, that's yes, what. But for these cases, you cannot take any option at all.
Yes,
you won't find any alternative because the title says classroom attendance, and you are not collecting the samples from classroom means I think it is meaningless. Other than that, everything is fine. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Once we'll visit the college and we'll test it, ma'am.
With all preventive measures and safety measures,
yes,
you, I think, with your guide's permission, I think ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡು, ಇವನ್ ದೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇನೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ಲಿ ಶೋ ಯುವರ್ ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್. See, this is the samples which has been collected in our college only. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆಮೋ ತೋರಿಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ನೀವ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದಾನೇ ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನ.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. We'll do it once.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll do the testing in college or classroom environment also, ma'am.
Yeah. So everything is in your hand only. You work more on this. Finally tune ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
stick on to correct number of phases. So
yes,
ma'am. Phases anta you decide and tell us. So then nobody will ask on that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Actually, we actually tried the best, ma'am, because like how many ever resources we went through, we were hardly getting like 2 phases and 1 phases and all, ma'am. Like we actually did like getting 5 was little difficult, but we tried the best, ma'am.
Yeah, I understand that in this pandemic time, everyone are having their own problems.
Yes,
but as per the your work is it is requesting to do in this in this way only.
Yes, ma'am. Classroom
work expect ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Yes, ma'am.
ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಟೈಟಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ I suggested.
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
you just
Yes,
talk with your guide. Okay, so no more questions from my side. And
thank you.
I think we can end the meeting. Ma'am will call to you later.
Yes,
okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Anybody who can talk to her later.
Yes, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, everyone, for joining.